So now we start the journey of the explosion.
And there's people right next door. Shoot.
Round 2.
Oh, we're gonna wait till
Super firework.
Super firework. We're gonna see how this goes.
This time it's bigger.
This time it's personal.
This time it's personal.
This time we're going balls deep.
So we got people over there.
Okay. I don't know if you saw it, but Casey was sitting there, and when you said that, just her face was just so funny. She just looked at you and was like, and then like you walked away.
Dude, Matt, make a funny face. That was a good one. Justin, make a funny face. Jordan, make a funny face. Ethan, make a funny face.
Hi.
Oh, yeah, you guys. Oh, my God, that's so good.
They should move.
You gonna wait until they leave?
You know you could roll it.
Then with our luck it would roll right next to those glass doors.
It just bounced the longest.
Don't have Matt roll it because it will.
I'm gonna move this little.
It just keeps.
No. It's a rabbit that goes flying.
Lands right back in your hand.
Alright, so now Ethan takes a journey of possible destruction of his own body. We walk to the plant site. I'm so scared, like, you won't get enough time. It's just gonna. Cause we have to get.
I'm doing pure sprint.
Yeah.
Or you get back a little.
Yeah. Cause I'm afraid of, like, shrapnel. Dude! Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't even know if I got that. Oh my god! Oh my god!